Hey Pink Squad, my name is Barbara Pink Lifestyle, and if you're new swinging through, then welcome. If you're already a supporter of mine, then thank you so much. You guys know that I appreciate you so much from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, so today we are back, honey. We're back with another... Whoa. Honey, we're back with another... Whoa. You guys, I'm way too excited. I was taking y'all on like a roller coaster ride. Okay, sorry for shaking you, I'm sorry. But yeah, so we're back with another Boxycharm video, and this is going to be a surprise for me. Hopefully it's a surprise for you, or if you're trying to figure out if you want to join Boxycharm, then maybe my video will help you do so. Maybe it won't, but yeah, so I'm just taking my thumbnail because I'm so ratchet, guys. I never have scissors, so if I break a nail, y'all know I'll be mad. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So as soon as you open it, it says Hello Charmer, and up here is hashtag Boxycharm, and that means you can use it on their social medias. They are Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat at hashtag Boxycharm. And let's open it right up. Oh my god, guys, I think I accidentally saw something. Whew, okay, so the first thing is this card. It just says Boxycharm. And on the back, it gives us some VIP offers. So, oh, okay. Actually, it opens right up. What is this? Okay, it's the eye candy box. So, I didn't know. So, this must be the eye candy box. And it goes through and shows the products, which I just showed you really quick. But we're not going to get into that. So, the first thing feels like a bottle. So, okay. It is the Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner. It looks like a pore purifying mask. Let's see what this mask smells like, hunty. It has this little sealer here. Sorry, you guys. I'm like all marked up right now from another video. You gotta just keep it moving. Okay. Yeah, that just smells like mask. So definitely nothing out of the ordinary. It just smells like a regular mask. So that is that, and this is in a 1 ounce 30-gram bottle. So that's nice. I'll try this. So I can't wait to try this. I'll update you guys probably on my Instagram on how I feel about that. If you're not on my Instagram, I'll leave it here for you. Make sure you subscribe. I mean, not subscribe. Make sure you follow my Instagram. So I'll leave it right there for you. You guys, what is this? What is this? I'm not ready. I'm not ready. What is this? What are you sending us, Boxycharm? It says Tarte High Performance Neutral Tarteus Pro Glow and Sparkler. You guys, I don't even know. What is this? I am done. I'm done. This is a freaking highlight. I'm done. Okay, so let's put it here. Oh, I hope I can use this. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh no, we're about to use this now. We're just about to go in. Let's see. Let's put some dots. Oh my gosh. It says it's a liquid highlighter, so why not? Oh my gosh. Well, I already have on enough highlighter, but let me just swatch. Jesus. Oh my gosh. I can't believe they sent that. I'm in awe. It doesn't have any smell, but yeah, so that's the highlight there, and then yeah, you can definitely tell. I'm like old highlight, dull, and then boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I love it. Okay. So yeah, that's the Sparkler Tarteus highlight. That's really nice, really nice, and it comes in the box. And this is it is 15.9 gram and then a 0.56 ounce. So that's nice. That's a pretty decent size for highlighter. I like that. And I actually don't own any liquid highlighters. I mean, I do now, but you know what I did there. So let's see. The next thing is a high definition liquid lipstick, and it's by Adesi, New York. Is that how we say that? Adesi, New York. What shade is this in? Let's see. And this is 0.23 ounce. I need to let's open it from the bottom because They use this tape on everything, so they use tape on everything. Oh, wow. Boxycharm. Boxycharm knows me far too well. This is the beautiful packaging with that beautiful shade. Honey. Oh, it smells like butter. We're going to actually stick this like right here. That's my shade. Girls, my girls and guys that are my complexion, darker, we can use this shade without a liner. We can use this shade without a liner. Oh, I love that. Very beautiful, and it's so creamy. So creamy. So that's nice. Really beautiful color. And there's, I think there's only one, I think there's one more thing. A ColourPop palette. Oh my gosh, this is the ColourPop Golden State of Mind eyeshadow palette. So let's go ahead and open it up. And I like how this one is not those stupid push-through ones. I'm not a fan of the push-throughs. Give me the original packaging. I'm just old school. Call it what you want. Uh-oh. I think I know where this is going. So I took it out and I immediately saw the names on the back. Yeah. It's the names on the back and no mirror. Oh, it's okay. Very beautiful palette. Very, very beautiful shades that can go on the lid. I see some nice inner corner colors in here, like this one here, Inner Tear Duct. This one here also. Yeah, this is a really pretty palette. I don't think it's a palette for everyday use at all, but it is really pretty. I wish it had a mirror, and then I wish the names were underneath the shadows. I'm just not a fan of the names being on the back. That's all. That's just my opinion. Oh, I thought that was it. There's one more thing in here. What is this? The brow gel. Okay, so we have this brow gel here. Let's go ahead and open it up. And this is in the color, it says brown hair number 2. Oh, that's, I can already tell this is going to be too light for me. You guys can probably see on camera, I don't know. It's a really brown color. It honestly looks almost blonde, like a dirty blonde. Let's see if I can put it somewhere. Yeah, you can see it's like, that's not my color at all. So I'll probably end up giving this to someone because I can't use this at all in my eyebrows. But that was really nice and thoughtful of them. I just can't use it. Overall, I am really happy with this Boxycharm for the month of April. And yeah, the only thing that I'm not a fan of obviously is the brow gel because I can't use it. And the eyeshadow palette is beautiful. Very beautiful palette. I'm just not a fan of no mirror palettes and then the names being on the back. Like, if there's no mirror, I really can't travel with that palette. I love to travel, so I just need more travel-friendly palettes. Palettes that have mirrors and then the names on the front are, like, more realistic for me. This, I've never heard of Adesi New York. If you guys have heard of this, or if I'm saying it wrong, is it Adesi or Ades? It might be Ades. A-D-E-S-S-E New York. I'll leave the name down there for you guys to check it out, but super creamy. It smells like candy, you guys. It smells like a candy from my childhood, and I don't need a liner. So this is definitely my favorite product for the Boxycharm box of April. And then my least favorite product will have to be the brow gel, just simply because they sent it in a color that I cannot use, therefore I cannot try it. So that's it for my Boxycharm video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it and decide to stick around. Let me know if you want to sign up for Boxycharm. I'll leave my code down below so you can use it, or if you don't want to use it, I can still send you the website so that you can sign up. If you have any questions, just leave them down below in the comments. I read every single comment, okay? So don't think I'm going to skip over you, boo, because I will not. And yeah, if you have any video requests, what? No. If you have any video requests, make sure you leave it down below, and then I'll try my best to make it happen. And yeah, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Love you so much. Bye, guys.